Hi, I'm Elaine, the Heart Healthy Cooking Lady. I'm pretty excited because I decided to do a series on preparing vegetables, and this is the first one. I decided to do this because we all know that vegetables are part of a healthy lifestyle, but the trick is to make them so they're tasty and heart healthy without a lot of salt, butter, and cheese. And I'm starting off with asparagus. Asparagus is a lovely vegetable. I'm using green today. It also comes in white and purple. The Romans cultivated asparagus over 2,000 years ago, and after the fall of the Roman Empire, it continued to be cultivated in Syria, Egypt, and Spain, partly due to the help of the Arabs who occupied those lands. And it made its way to Europe in the 14 and 1500s. It wasn't until the latter half of the 1800s that it began to be cultivated in any large scale in North America. Now it is available year-round in grocery stores because Peru has gotten into the game. They now provide asparagus, and they're in the opposite hemisphere. Regardless of how you are going to prepare your asparagus, you need to snap off the hard woody ends because you can't just use the whole spear the way that you get it in the store. And the easiest way to do that is just to bend it gently, and it will naturally snap, the hard woody part in one hand and the good part in the other. There you go. Let's bend it again. There you are. It does seem like you lose a lot of the spear, but you really have to do that because these are really very tough. So the first way I'm going to show you how to make asparagus is steamed. Asparagus is very low in calories. There's only 3 calories in one of these spears, and steaming does not add any kind of oils or fats to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my asparagus spears and put them in the steamer. My steamer is wide enough so it will take these spears without being cut. If you have a smaller steamer, and I've used smaller steamers, go ahead and cut the spears. It's not going to hurt them, and they'll taste just as good, even though every single recipe I've ever seen for asparagus shows the whole spear. It's okay to cut them. So what we're going to do is take this basket, put it in the pot with some water in it. You'll see I already have some here, and there's not so much that it comes up through the holes in the steamer basket. We're going to cover this up, turn on the heat, and let it steam. I'm going to check these in probably 3 minutes. You test for doneness by poking it with a fork, and if you really like it a little crispy, then it's going to be a little harder to get the fork in. If you like it really well done, then the fork will slide in easily. And you really have to test because how long it's going to cook depends on the thickness of the spears, and not all asparagus is the same thickness. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. I'm going to test this by taking off the lid. Oh, nice color. See, these are kind of, well, these are almost there. Not quite. So I'm going to cook them for another minute. Okay, it's been a minute. We are going to check again. Oh, very nice. See, I like my asparagus so it still has a little bit of resistance there. I don't like it really, really, really done. So I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to put it over on the plate. Here we go. See? I want to show you what it looks like. This is lovely. Nice green color. See the lovely color? It's very nice. Now I like my asparagus plain. However, if you want to zest it up a little bit, actually a little bit of lemon zest is good on asparagus, so is some ground pepper. If you need to put salt on, go ahead and make it a very little bit because you want to avoid sodium if you're on a heart-healthy diet. So asparagus, I think this is one reason why they show you cooking the whole spear, because it's just so much fun to pick it up. Take a bite. Oh, that's good. There's a little bit of crunch to that, just like I like it. Okay, so the next way I'm going to show you how to make asparagus is to microwave it. Actually, you can microwave a lot of vegetables, and asparagus is one that microwaves nicely. You will need to have a microwave safe dish with a lid. And all you do, and these are all, I've already snapped off the ends, you just lay these in a single layer. Once again, if you need to, cut your asparagus in half. Put the lid on, pop it in the microwave. It's as simple as that. I'm going to check these in 2 minutes because it's easier to put it in for longer and to cook a little bit more than to overcook it. And there you go, you're kind of stuck, it's done. So let me come back to you in 2 minutes. Actually, I hear some funny little noises coming from the dish. So even though it's early, I'm going to check it because it may be cooking a lot faster than I expected. Let's check and see how these look. Oh, see? Nice bright green. Let's test these out. Okay, funny noises, but no, they are not done. Put these in to let them finish cooking the full 2 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes is up. I'm going to test these now again. Make sure you use pot holders because microwaves can make the dishes really hot. Okay, let's see. See? Lovely green color. These are as done as I like it. So these I can just take out, put on the serving dish. Once again, plain, a little bit of salt and pepper maybe. Easy salt. Easy on the salt though. But since I like them plain, I'm just going to leave them as is. I wanted to show you the colors though between the two. I think asparagus has such a lovely color. This is the this is the microwaved, and that's the steamed. Such a beautiful green color. Okay, the final way I'm going to show you right now to make asparagus is to roast it. Let me take this off of here. And what you are going to do is you are going to liberally spray the bottom of a baking dish. This just happens to be glass. You don't have to use glass. This is olive oil cooking spray. I'm going to show you 2 ways how to do it. The ones on the left, I'm going to roast one way, the others with other things on top. You lay the asparagus spears in a single layer. And each of these recipes is 1 serving. I figure 8 spears is a serving. What's nice about asparagus too is I'm going to have all this leftover asparagus, but it's great cold. It makes a nice snack. So there you are. You have the one, and then you spray both of them on top with the olive oil spray. You get less olive oil on it with the spray than you do trying to brush it on or pour it on, which is, I've tried that and I just like this way better. And then this is on the left I'm going to sprinkle a combination of 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder, basil and oregano. And I'm also going to put on some ground black pepper. I'm also going to put some ground black pepper in the ones on the right. And I'm going to also sprinkle on a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. It adds very few calories, only 25 in this whole tablespoon, and it gives a very nice taste to the asparagus. There's a little bit of sodium in it too, but not bad. It's only 100 milligrams. This is not as bad, anywhere near as pouring on a lot of cheese sauce. So this is going in the 425-degree oven that I've already got preheated. You have to preheat it. I'm going to pop it in and come back and check it in 12 minutes. So see you in 12 minutes. See how this is doing. It's been 12 minutes, so I'm going to pull these out, test them, see how they are. Oh boy. Looks very good. Okay. I don't know. I'm going to put them in for another minute. They don't seem quite, well, the cameraman likes his asparagus a little bit more well done than I do. And since it is Valentine's Day, I'm going to cook it so he likes it. See you in another minute. Okay, it's almost another minute. I'm going to turn off the timer, pull these out, and check and see how well done they are. Oh yes, those are better. Okay, these are delicious. I am going to take them out. These are the ones with the cheese. Doesn't that look good? These are the ones with the herbs. Very, very good. Okay. Paris is willing to try. I think Paris has been in another couple videos. She's our white lab mix. These are little. Perfecto. That Parmesan cheese adds just a nice. There you go, girl. Sharing asparagus with the dog. Oh, this is so good. Well, in this first video, I've shown you how to make asparagus 3 ways: steamed, microwaved, and roasted. And if you like this video and you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you won't miss the next in the video series in which I'm going to show 2 fancier ways to cook asparagus. So please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Healthy Cooking Elaine. Until next time, here's to healthy cooking.